examples of national resources like GT road. You can say the example of national resource. And resources within the political boundary and oceanic area up to 12 nautical miles you can call the national resource. What are international resources? As you know, 12 nautical miles it will be in the national resources. For international resources, beta, it will be 200 nautical miles, right? They doesn't come under any individual nation. No individual country can utilize these resources without taking permission from the UN or the international institutions. Our last type is on the basis of status of development, and it has 4 divisions. Number 1, potential resource. Number 2, developed resource. Number 3, stock. Number 4, reserves. Most of you are confused for this particular topic. So dear, what is potential resource? Sometimes we say, beta, you have potential but you are not doing according to you, right? So what is potential resource? Means these resources we have in abundance, but we are not using these resources with its full capacity. Like Rajasthan and Gujarat, they have enormous potential to develop of wind and solar energy, but these have not been developed properly. Means they have technology, they have everything, but due to some reason they cannot utilize them. Next one is developed resources. What are developed resources? Developed resources are already served. We know its quality as well as its quantity, and we are utilizing these resources with its full potential, that is like coal, petroleum, etc. Next one is stock. Listen carefully, there is lots of confusion between you people. Ma'am, what is potential and what is difference between potential and stock? What is the difference between stock and reserve and all? Okay, so listen carefully. Because sometimes we say na ki I have lots of stock of this thing and all. So what is stock? Means we have that resources in huge quantity or enough quantity, but we cannot utilize them for the absence of technology, right? And means you can say its example like water. Water is a compound of 2 inflammable gases, all you know, like hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, in our environment, hydrogen and oxygen, lots of hydrogen and oxygen gases are there, but we don't have proper technology to produce water from these 2 gases, right? So please don't forget, stock means of course we don't have any proper technology to get that resources. And what is potential? Means you have potential but we are not utilizing that. Means like Rajasthan and Gujarat, as you know. Then our last one is reserves. Reserves are the one which we can get the resources if technology is present, right? But we do not use them up to their full potential, because we are reserving them for our future generation. That is why its name is reserve, means we are reserving that resources for our future generation. For example, you can say dams, forest reserves, river water. River water can be used for generating hydroelectric power, but in limited extent.